Now we have all of our liquid here just all ready to go, and we have our chicken that's been partially cooked. We're going to reintroduce that to the pan. And this is only about even a quarter of the way cooked, so not even close. But you want to have it down into the liquid. And if you don't have enough liquid to cover it, what we want to do, we can just add water, we can add stock to it. Put that in like that. See, we're pretty close right now. Just work it down a little bit. I can see we're going to probably have to add a little bit of liquid to it, but no big deal. Go ahead and put all your quarters in. See, and the liquid level comes up too. So you're really close to where you need to be.